Hello, you might have noticed that recently we updated our brand message and website to clarity-safety.com. This isn't just a change that's cosmetic, it's a reflection of how we're adapting to what our customers need most. We see firsthand how important site safety is becoming across warehousing, logistics, manufacturing, pharmaceutical and many other sectors. So we've evolved our offering to better reflect that, tailored to your environment, your challenges and your safety goals. From high-impact polymer barriers to LED safety projectors and indestructible multi-line floor tape, our goal is simple: to help you create a safer, more efficient workplace.
And yes, visual management is still something we offer. While it's a smaller part of what we do today, we'll continue to support you with shadow boards, displays and day-to-day communication tools wherever they're needed. But it's not just about products, it's about supporting you achieve your health and safety goals. We know budgets are tight, which is why we always work with you to find the right solution that delivers results without overspend.
So thank you for your continued support. If you've got any questions about who we are or how we can help you on your next project, just reach out, we'd love to talk.